Today I introduce you Rosemount 3144P temperature transmitter damping setting and advisory resetting procedure. First select the configuration menu, then select the guided setup, select the configuration sensor, then OK. Select the configuration sensor 1, then OK. We are selected 3 wire, then OK. Set the advanced set option, then OK. Degree centigrade, then OK. Then OK. Okay, this is a damping menu. We are remove the 5 already set the manufacturer. We are remove the menu and set the 2.5, then OK. Enable condition, then OK. Now we exit, select it, then OK. Then OK. Now damping set is completed. Next we are doing the advisory alert resetting. Okay, select the overview menu. Advisory, select it. Active alert, select it. Advisory, select it. Configuration menu, select it. And clear configuration change flag, select it. Now clear the whole alert, then OK. Then back menu. Then back menu. Now no alert. Then back. Okay, transmitter is healthy condition. Now display showing good menu.